Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have red pasta. You know what time it is when you see this made. For our old subscribers and our old family members, you guys know when you see this, it means Vincent wanted red pasta. And for the new family members, whenever you see this, that's what that means.
And you already gave the recipe for this already.
And I do have a video for that.
Yes.
Thank you, my love. There is a video, and we will link it somewhere up here or somewhere down there, and you can go ahead and check it out. This is really, really delicious. Now, before we dig in, you can dig in, my love. Check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I almost forgot about the outfit today, but you like it, you know I love it.
So, sorry, my love, go ahead.
But first I want to give them something quick because I'm hungry and I want to sleep and my body like mess with the marijuana. Alright? So I'm going to give them some so here. I'm going to mess up my here, take some. There you go. They could see it. I'm going to spin it for you here. Rotation. Take some. Alright. I gave a piece of sausages. Sausage, that's what you call it. Chicken sausage or what? Beef sausage.
Beef sausage.
Yes, one of them. It's not pork. First thing you gonna give them the pork. Yeah. What you got for here? Over here. So
we have salad. We have some 5 cheese Texas toast. Of course, which you have to have some kind of meat.
Gotta have extra.
He made some salmon. And this red pasta is ground chicken and beef sausage. So good.
That's what it is, family. Yep. First day they gave out the recipe, so check it out. That's something I want to do. You know me. Gotta put my sauce.
If you guys, follow the recipe exactly, you will love it.
Grace in the building. Grace will almost take the race, but you know he's gonna lose his place.
It's really good.
Yes, man. I was waiting for this day. This opportunity. You know, pick me up here. Family, I'm watching first day, you know. Friday is your hype of herself.
That's right. If I don't do it, who will?
So I work for the beating, you know, family. And she'll like spanking. Don't do it, you don't like the spanking.
I love the spanking.
The spanking, you gotta jump up by spanking.
I know what you do. Whatever.
They didn't hear that.
You got my business.
The fucking that working. Be wipe me out, son. Family. How is everything, you know? Alright? Oh, yeah, more, look a bit. How is everything with y'all? I like how this, the two of them cut big.
Yeah.
Oh, you're fine? Okay.
When you have something like this, you need to
give my fish cut. Family, she said she didn't want none of the salmon, you know? I came home, I put some salmon in the air fryer. I didn't fry it, I bake it though. And she said she didn't want any, and I said I guarantee she gonna eat it. See, I brought a piece for you anyway, so you know I won't do that to you. So
I just tasted it. I don't want any salmon. I just told man, you yam it.
Good, thank you. I was waiting for you to say that.
My ranch dressing is finished, family.
So I'm trying to offer you though.
I don't know what's going on. I told you guys I never used to like ranch. I'm telling you. Ever since I turned My age. My taste buds have just been a changing.
They already know your age, so you don't gotta say that. Couple of them know your age. Here. Take a piece of the salmon, family. Here. There you go, take it. You can see it? Okay, good.
When you're eating something like this, you definitely need a salad.
Have to. That's a go.
To cool down, you know, not even cool down, but to balance the heavy stuff.
I got my entree. Your entree, right? Have to got something to go there. It's delicious. Oh, wait, don't pour it.
Thank you. They come out good.
Ask them why they doing it, even. Oh, y'all mad?
For
What
real?
happened? I asked how y'all doing and nobody said nothing. Nobody said, hi, First Lady. Hey, Pastor Richie. I didn't hear none of that. What's going on? What happened? What we did?
What
We
we
don't,
do?
you know we don't post Saturday and Sundays.
Yeah,
Come
man,
on now.
that's true. What we do?
Come on now, family. What we do?
What we do?
Talk to it. Talk to it. If we did something bad, just let us know. You know we don't post on the weekends, man. Come on now. Don't be mad.
I had a good weekend though, I'm telling you that thing.
How was your weekend? Tell them.
I watched my tennis, I made some soup. Man, that soup was good. You guys know I love soup.
And I had to make First Lady money. First Lady don't want to broke much, is it? I make sure First Lady alright, no? And for anything First Lady want, First Lady get.
Yeah.
Do not put First Lady in the corner. First Lady not good on the time. Woo! I'm drinking.
I'm drinking.
No, I'm drinking Georgia Peach. I'm not drinking no
run?
rum or
Red
Bull.
Red Bull?
Love that. I love that.
Honey,
Alright.
you notice that I cut up the sausage bigger? You didn't notice.
I don't. As long as it can't go in my mouth. I don't notice. Why? Why you cut it bigger? What happened?
I don't know, I was like, I usually cut it in half.
Yeah, so like now.
Yeah.
They're the same.
I left it bigger this time.
Why? Was it taste different?
I like it because it makes it get more darker.
Oh. Well, family, I don't have a clue. I know I'm eating it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I didn't know neither, so. Not only me. Oh, they say they're good now.
Oh.
They're not mad no more.
Okay.
Alright, good. I'm like, oh my god, hope they're not mad.
Just saying.
Go ahead.
I want to say that the cheddar cheese really set it off.
Whatever you put in there, I don't care what it is, tastes good as hell. Damn it. Where my food go? I was watching some of the comment people said me have worm.
You must have worm, man.
Family, I don't got worm. I don't know where the food go for real. Where go First Lady?
I don't know.
Shucks.
Right in the bathroom.
Yeah, right in the bathroom. I don't know, family. People say, no, Richie, you need to go get checked out. You probably have worm for real. Not a worm, man. I have no worm.
You have a high metabolism, that's why. But then again, remember, you're working out.
Yo. I think I'm gonna drop on pants by you, then some have on pants.
I burn your leg? Watch your legs, you know.
Wait, so I'm high metabolism? I burned off hair.
No?
I mean, yeah, you're right. I burned off fast this one.
Yeah.
Fast.
Wow.
Sounded good. I likes it.
When are you going to show the family that you know how to flip
What?
and do gymnastics?
Okay, where you gonna bring out that gymnastic for again?
Come and watch if you do it.
Family, I can't flip again. I got old bone now. My bone them a crack. But yeah, I remember first I told you I was really good in flipping. I was.
You are.
I am, but I haven't flipped in a long time, and I ain't gonna flip and pop and look at us, and then I can't work. But probably one day I gotta get back in the feel of it. But I'm really good flipper. Not you.
So you just taught yourself? Or you?
Yeah, I used to flip on my mother's bed. I used to put pillows. Let me tell you how I used to start flipping. You want to hear the story? This is how we start flipping, family.
I mean, I know the story.
When we was back in, we used to have like in junior high school, we used to have like a flipping crew. Short story. Yeah, flipping. No, seriously. I'm gonna tell the story now.
I always laugh at myself and I act like I'm shocked.
A flipping crew. You know what I'm saying? And we used to just have like performance and stuff like that on talent show. Bro, how I learned with me and my friend them, we used to, back then we was small, so when people used to throw
You're
our
still
old,
small.
yeah, but people used to throw our old mattresses, we used to line them up, like whatever, you know what I'm saying? We was small, so we don't know whatever. Line them up and then learn to flip on that. So we start practicing the old mattress them. They're from the mattress to the grass, and then from the grass to the concrete. Yeah. And then we got so good at it. I mean, it was all of us. When we used to have like half a days in school, we all gather up and go right in the big parking lot with all the mattresses that we put in there and just start flipping every style of flip. And then till we start having talent shows and stuff like that, and then I just got better at it. But where I really started, I used to do it on my mother's bed in the house. I used to put pillows on the floor, and then flip off the bed. So when I land on the floor, I land on the pillows. I remember people living underneath us.
Oh.
So that's what I used to do. That's how I learned, and then I just kept practicing and practicing. Family, I used to just go up on anything and just flip off of it.
He's really good.
Back flip, front flip. I could do everything. I don't need a trampoline or whatever. But I still could do it, but I haven't did it in a long time. I don't know if my bones could still do it, but I could do it though.
But imagine if you were in a trampoline.
I'm good in trampoline.
That's what I'm saying.
But
You can't do trampoline. I'll break my hip.
But one day I probably do a flip for you. I'll show you some back flips. You know, first day they bring them down, so now I have to go train.
You gotta train.
But yeah.
For the Greedy Couple Olympics?
For the Greedy Couple Olympics, we used to flip up everything. Park, man. I ain't gonna lie. Every little thing in the park. You remember 2016 park? We used to flip up the monkey bars, yeah. We used to play tag. Anybody jump off the black part, you know there's a black mat. Anybody come up on the black mat, they used to do tricks off the mat. We used to be going crazy.
That monkey bar in the park in New York, they are high. Especially when you're a kid.
We used to flip off of it.
It's high.
We used to flip off of it. And stuff like that. We used to do a lot of crazy stuff, man. I mean, shit. Yo. Remember we were Charlie? Yeah, tell them what it We was bad in New York, family. I got some bad stories, but I ain't gonna tell you now. I don't know who's watching. You know what I'm saying? Got spies be watching.
I used to love when it snowed in New York, and we would go. When I had to get the bus, I used to get off by Tracy Towers.
Yeah.
If you're from the Bronx, by Meshuggah Parkway, in those areas, you know Tracy Towers. There used to be a dumpster right in the back, and we used to go there and we used to get cardboard boxes and break it up, and we used that.
Oh, sorry. You never give me enough sausage, man. You know, if you be both up on two sides, you eat pork. You have to give me the sausage, because I don't eat pork. Something comes up. It's alright, so I shall get that. Go on to the story.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Tell the story.
And we would get cardboard boxes, and we go on the hill because of the snow, and we would slide down there, down the cardboard
That's
boxes.
fun too.
That was the best time.
Remember we used to have snow fight?
Snow fights. But going down the hill in the cardboard boxes, man.
What's some of your childhood memories? We always telling you our business and you don't be telling us nothing. Comment down, what's some of your childhood memories? Comment down what some of you are from. I know where most of you are from anyway. And tell me what y'all did when you was a child in junior high school or high school. What's your best memories?
That's true.
Yeah, right? We had a lot. We had fun. I mean, just let us know. Calm me down some. Well,
New York school and Florida schools are so different because New York or high school.
So different.
Because when you're in high school, you finish your class. If you feel like leaving for the day, you leave.
You're gone. New York, right?
Even if you have 4 classes,
Yeah,
you're
gone.
like, you know what? I'm done for the day. Up here in Florida, no sir. Once you get in, you don't get out until the end of the day.
Then
So
yep.
kids can't skip school.
I just skip a lot of class. My favorite class was basketball.
I never skipped.
I just skip class. Sometimes I didn't even go 7 to 8 period. I just I'm out. You know, but up here it's different. Other people
They're on lockdown.
lockdown, son. Yeah, I would love to hear some of their childhood memory.
Yeah, that stuff that they used to do.
You don't never for that though. Wow. I chat so much. Chatting off my beat. Why you didn't tell me? I'm talking so much. You didn't tell me. Y'all still mad? Don't be mad. I'm not mad neither. First they not mad. Why you mad? We glad.
Yo, you can't rhyme it.
Yo, I'm a rapper, son.
No, I wouldn't go that far.
Everybody doing it. Every YouTuber rapping, so I can't rap.
I know, might as well, right? Shoot.
If you step away and you listening, make sure you turn your TV up. And if you're going to use the bathroom, go use it and come back. If you're eating something, stop eating and listen now.
Okay.
Yeah, man, if I tell them come now, let me see where it is, isn't it? All right. This one is a big one. This is epic. Family, as a family. First lady, I want you to listen, okay? All right. Family, first lady. I know you don't do this anyway.
Oh my God.
What do you say? I got old timers. I said the same thing over and over.
Yeah, just say
right.
the wild man.
All right. Don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. True or false?
Very true.
I'm gonna say it again.
Very true.
Very true, right? So I want you to listen and you tell me to hurry up. Don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Put it in your own word. If you feel, if you can relate, put relate. Hashtag relate. I like that. Don't rush me. Don't tell me when I gotta say my word of wisdom. You're gonna tell me, boy, instead of damn word of wisdom.
Say your word of
Excuse
wisdom.
me.
That's not what I'm rushing you. You asked me 3 times. First lady, you ready? First lady, you ready? So what if I'm not ready? You can't say the word of the wisdom?
No, man. Make sure you're ready.
My God.
Make sure
I'm
you're
telling
ready.
you, guys. Family.
What?
I don't think you guys will believe in me. Bitch, you're 9, innit?
Like you.
You're 9.
You're
You are 9.
Yo, friend, come like a bees in my ears, my youth. Like a wasp. Oh, what? You finished before me? Oh, that's tough.
Ooh.
That's good job. You did good. You want to help me?
Nope.
Help me.
I'm full. And plus, you put all kind of barbecue sauce, hot sauce, teriyaki
No,
sauce.
you don't taste none of that on it.
No, you taste it on there.
I promise you don't taste none of that on it.
You put sweet and sour
You
sauce.
see, family? She the one to help me, right? You see that?
You put mango sauce,
Getting up sauce.
guinnep sauce, any sauce you can find in
Tamarind
the pantry,
sauce.
you put in there. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Oh. What?
When certain stuff coming season, we're gonna show you guys our Jamaican fruits. There's some fruits that we can't get unless we're in Jamaica, of course, but we'll try to get some fruits and show you guys.
Okay.
Excuse me.
We appreciate y'all. Y'all know that already. We shared with y'all. And you ate the first day of the food because she done quick. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe. And if you're viewing, come out now. You watch enough. Thumbs up. Stop hiding now. Alright? We appreciate all of y'all. We are the Greedy Couple. They are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys for another mukbang.
Bye.